Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'll show you how to check who has subscribed to your YouTube channel. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open the Chrome and go to the youtube.com. Then go to the YouTube studio. Here you will see your channel dashboard. Then scroll to down. Then you will see recent subscribers. Please click on see all. Then you will see the list of subscribers over here within last 90 days. You can also sort it out by date, also by subscriber count. If you want to see more than 90 days, then go here and choose lifetime. However, please note you can only see the subscribers who have set their subscription to public. So that's all for today. So this is how you check your subscribers. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel for more useful tips. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.